Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix Safari not working on iPhone. First method is to enable cellular data for Safari. Open Settings app, tap Cellular, then scroll down to Show All. Then locate Safari and toggle it on. If enabling cellular data doesn't resolve the issue, reset network settings. Go to Settings, General, then Transfer or Reset Phone. Tap Reset Phone and then Reset Network Settings. And the third method is to force quit Safari. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen, swipe up on Safari card to close it, then repeat for all the background tab, then do it again. If none helped, just restart your iPhone and try again. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.